We are pleased to show you the 2013 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, air conditioning, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.